Sure guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today ngifuna ukwenza i-album review, i-album entsha from one of the best producers esinayo la eMzansi, uSanel. So uSanel ukhipha i-album entsha ibizwa Under the Sun, iphume ngomhla ka-13 February and i-album yakhe iphume ngama-parts awu-2 because ngoDisemba wasishaya ngama-highlight wasinikeza i-first part of the album, then ngomhla ka-13 i-album seyiphumile iyonke. So ngidecide ukuyilinda ngingayenzi i-review le-album yokuqala because bezikhona ingoma ade zinohlonze engiyithandile kuyona, but-ke iphumile i-album, isound yakhona i-unique, i-fresh, and as umuntu oyifan kaSanel since 2018 ngiqala ukumuzwa lami lapha, bengilindele ukuthi mhlawumbe uzojumpa kule wave ye-3 step because i-3 step iyona i-dominator right now, uShimza even kuma-event. But mangilalela isound yakhe still namanje umjida u-unique, wenza into engenziwa umuntu because isound yakhe ingoma eningi lakhana, I think ingoma eningi ngithe ngiyalalela lana zi-electro but zinawo futhi leyo 3 step, ziphinde zibe nalowo vibe kaSanel lo wango-2018. But I think ezinye ingoma zinama-broken sound laphana, I think ezinye ingoma nayo i-sound yakhona akazazi ukuthi angayibiza ngani because ufuse umusic o-different uhlanganise kuze kuphume enye into lo. So I think omunye umuntu onethalente kakhulu engimvumayo. So insizwa le phansi eMo River le eduze kwaseScotting, ngoba mina ngowasemtshezi siyamclaima ngomkhaya wethu-ke lo because umakhelane wethu. But ngize ku-album laphana, ingoma yokuqala ibiphume kule part yokuqala edekhipha oqala, ikhona ingoma eyibuza ngekoyika laphana. I think iyona ingoma especial kakhulu. Mangilalela nje i-album yonke leyo ngoma leyo iphume ezisingile noma seziningi I think le ngoma i-special ifisa omunye umntwana obizwa ngoSahle, angazi noma uSihle noma uSahle, but I think i-special kakhulu leyo ngoma. Hopefully bazoshoot music video yakhona. There's also another song ibizwa nge-Love is Love, ino-Deborah Cox. I'm not sure if uye lesimazi o-artist la phesheya ucula i-gospel noma mhlawumbe omunye uDeborah, because laphana kubhalwe uDeborah Cox ngaze ngathuka because that is one of the biggest artists ekhona, and bengike ngambona nje perform kuma-Grammy kulamaviki andlule-ke. So uSanel ukuthi usenza ingoma no-Deborah Cox, I think usekwenye i-level. Khona enye ingoma efeaturisha uMsaki ibe noSanel abakaze bebe nengoma ebhorayo noma ingoma ebhedayo. Ngiyakhumbula khona ingoma beyenzile bethi obomamanga laphana si-under i-lockdown sisistressekile, khona ingoma abasisendelayo abasinikeza yona. Khona enye ingoma abaphinde bayenze kule album kaSanel endlule, i-Best Friend, nayo one of the most performing song yakhe. I think right now ilako 5 million ama-views music video yakhona. So nje i-collabo kaMsaki noSanel ihlezi izolenda. There's also another song akayenze no-Amifako. No-Amifako sazi omunye umuntu ongasekho active music ngaleyo ndlela, but every time uSanel emfuna ku-feature uyamthola because ufeaturisha kwengoma more than 2. So I think ikhona le bond abanayo bobabili. So I think bayahloniphana leyo respect. Ingoma leyo inomthunzi, ibizomlayezo leyo ngoma leyo. Enye ingoma nayo ine-message nje like inesigqi lesaSanel. But there's also a song abantu abaningi abake bathi ukhuluma ngawo Friday kuphuma album because leyo ngoma ifeaturisha uNasty C noTouchline, in leyo ngoma le i-house. Siyazi ukuthi ama-rappers lawana, but uNasty C laphana ufike nje walenda kwi-afro house noma i-afro tech labayibiza ngawo, walenda ngale ndlela because aka-rap nanokurapper laphana, but nje ushaya ama-melodies laphana. Ukhona omunye umntwana ofeaturishwe khona kuthiwa uLorraine Chain, I think nawo special, but into efike yenziwe uTouchline kwi-verse laphana I think iyona enza ukuthi ingoma yabhalansa. So leyo ngoma I think wonke umuntu odebiziwe laphana u-understandile assignment. I think enye ingoma emnandi-ke leyo, and indlela e-broken ngayo kuya ngathi izoqala mhlawumbe ibe ne-tempo ehigher because bengilindele ukuthi I-one unesisi ukuthi uzokhopha kwi-sound yaSanel, but I think balendile leyo ngoma leyo ibizwa ngomusic. So enye ingoma especial leyo ngiyithande kakhulu-ke leyo. So there's also another song ifeaturisha uManana, abaningi bazomkhumbula bayebula ama-idols. uManana wawina ama-idols, angisakhumbula ukuthi awamuphi unyaka, but khona ingoma ethi I Will Be There inoManana, imnandi ngale ndlela. So nayo enye ingoma leyo ephilayo. So I think album inengoma eziningi ephilayo, and one thing engiyinothisile, ingoma eningi uSanel ubeyidlala kuma-mix i-album ingakaphumi. So ngoba sekuphuma album ingoma eningi sengathi siyazazi because sike sazuzwa before. There's one song ade qhela ukuyidlala kuma-mix ango-2023 2022, leyo ngoma ibizwa Another Minute. I think ingoma ya-overseas laphana, I think ingoma nje ino-brokinyana no-electronyana. So that song is special ngale ndlela, and I think mayingaphuma la kwi-country mhlawumbe idume kulezi ndawo abadlala kuzona kakhulu, maybe o-Ibiza obani, I think le ngoma engalenda kakhulu kwi-international markets because i-sound yakhona inama-element ya-rock music leyaphesheya. So enye ingoma leyo I think imnandi ngale ndlela-ke lo. So nje mina as uSpeaker nami angathiwa ngi-rate album le kaSanel, I think ngayinikeza labo ngayimnikeza u-10 out of 10 because when it comes to production umjida, I don't think la kwi-country when it's coming to abantu be-house ukhona umuntu osondelayo. So I think ingoma special nje kakhulu i-album leyo. So nje besifuna ukunikeza ama-flowers akho uSandile su-speaker now, because ikhona interview yakhe engike ngayibuka ubekade laphana kwi-SABC3 kule show ebizwa nge-Expresso Show la Cape Town. Umenshine something ukuthi i-album yakhe le iphuma under i-record label yakhe entsha, because sokhumbula uSanele ubekade ne-record label lade sane khona oSimi nabomthunzi o-Azana, but no, uthe this time uqala i-chapter entsha, so uphusha into yakhe, album yakhe ufuna ufocusa kuyona, uzofuna ufocusa kwenza ama-event, akafocusa kusayina umuntu under ile album yakhe i-record label yakhe entsha le, nayo i-album i-record label ibizwa Under the Sun. So I think ukujeni entsha nane-approach akanayo, I think wafundile ama-lesson lapha nokusayina ama-artists kakhulu, because awusawazi ukufocusa kwi-career yakho, so focusa kuma-careers abantu abaningi kakhulu. So I think ilane akakuyona right now, hayi no, iyakhanya. So nje ngithande kakhulu i-album yakhe, and before ngize ngivale ikhona enye ingoma enoze expand no-Sky Wonder ethi umlungu wami naye, enye ingoma leyo engizwile. Ikhona nenye enosimi futhi naye le ine-sound different le, ikhona ingoma inosimi no-Chronic Deep la amajida lawa ashaya kakhulu i-Afro-Tech lapha. Bakhona ingoma amapiano abanawo, but na abanye abantu abakhona kule, omunye umuntu ocontribute kule album uMpho Wave, sabazi benoSanele basondelene kakhulu. Ziningi ingoma sebeke bazenza kakhulu, obvious noTaxini uyena umuntu oyi-leader i-3 Step ukhona naye laphana, ama-touch up akawashayile. So nje I think i-album i-balance ngale ndlela nangama-features, hopefully uzoyiphusha ngale ndlela mhlawumbe enza ama-interviews, but uSpeaker Now I think nje sayineza u-10 out of 10 i-clean album. Saqala unyaka izophusha, siqalele kahle unyaka. So this year I think unyaka uzoqala kahle nge-house, because last year besidominate oMaskandi. So this year I think kuza kahle, kuyakhanya. So nje soyivala lapha i-video uSpeaker Now, sekhona ku-Twitter ethi Speaker Now, sikhona ku-TikTok Speaker Now, sikhona ku-Instagram Speaker Now. We out.